Okay, let's take a look at the information for the final exam this Friday. Here on our homepage, Canvas homepage, you'll see a link here. These are not active for you. You will see them, but they won't work. These are the actual final exams. They're not turned on yet. But here you go to the information. Here, click, and it'll give you an overview. This video I'm doing will appear in this spot here too. Here's final exam review information with answers. We'll be using this to do our final exam review Wednesday night. It's two parts. Part one is 15 questions. It's a combination of multiple choice, short answer, or explain your answer, and you have an hour and a half to do that. It's only 15 problems. The focus is on unit 3s and 4. However, there are things that you need to know from unit 1 and 2, and you'll see a list of topics here that you should know how to do related to those old units that are all related to the material, but it's focused on unit 3 and 4. But there's assumed understanding of some of these other things within the course, but the focus is on unit 3 and 4, but there is information from unit 1 and 2, but it's listed here, the types of stuff you need to know. After part 1 is done, you have the written problems. There are only 5 problems, and they'll cover these things here, and you'll have to be able to do some variation of these here within those 5 questions. And this is where you're writing it out, you're showing your work, and this focus is unit 4. Right, and so there will be only one full 5-step process, but you still need to understand how to do the process for all of them, right? Because there'll be different types of questions related to that. So again, those are our topics, and you have some sample questions again to help you at least test your understanding. And then you have the logistics. It's again going to be on Proctorio. You have it Friday. You have a window from 6 a.m. to midnight. You'll do it on Proctorio. Make sure that's set up. The same rules are applying. You can use your notes. Just can't get help from anyone during the time. Go online, search things. And again, that's what's monitored on Proctorio. So that's the final exam information. Again, you'll find that on our home page here. You want to complete the Proctorio quiz again the day before, just to make sure even before you take the exam, give yourself some time to make sure everything's set up correctly, and we'll manage any issues through Pronto. Let's see, last thing, there is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I have an online. We'll go over the review and answer questions with that. Also for the final exam, as you look at the calendar here, remember there's an extra credit assignment I've posted, and that's where you'll find going back here to the modules, that's another place you'll find the information for the final exam down here. And then I should add that to the home page here. So again, take a look at that and take a look at the extra credit for that. So that's our final exam.